This is the Kong Shoe Project from Morganton, North Carolina, and we'll be in St. Paul, Minnesota this weekend, July 4th through the 5th, to promote our new album called Mundag Muhu at the annual J4 Sports Tournament in St. Paul, Minnesota. For the past 2 weeks, we've been doing a contest called a display photo contest, and it was a good turnout. We had about 70 participants, and we would like to thank you all for being a part of it. And without you, this wouldn't have happened. So we're going to start the drawing. There's going to be 10 total winners. The first 5 was supposed to get 5 free posters, and the last 5 was supposed to get 5 free albums, but we changed it. It's going to be 10 total free CDs of the new copy Mundag Muhu. So we're going to start the drawing now, and she was going to do the first drawing.
First CD goes to Sherry Xiong, myspace.com S_P_X. Congratulations.
The second CD goes to Pain Food, myspace.com/6cents.
Third CD goes to Michelle Yang, myspace.com Glamis Michelle. Congratulations, Michelle.
The fourth CD goes to Cam Suk, Seong, myspace.com/Cam Suk. That's KHAMSUK.
Alright, the fifth winner is Miser Lee, myspace.com One Weird Bitch. Miser, MAIZERLEE.
Alright, number 6 goes to Bachia Lee, myspace.com/sweetnessme_01.
Alright, seventh winner is Landa Vu, myspace.com Landa Vu. Congratulations.
8. Number 8 goes to My Yang. That's myspace.com/bummergirl. Girl with the U. GURL.
Alright, the ninth winner, number 2, is Dao Bang, myspace.com Yesuholic. Yesuholic. Congratulations.
The last and final winner for our Mundag Muhu album display contest is number 10. Chong Vang, myspace.com/bunchies_dumbasses. And that's our phone. She was gonna get the phone, but we'll be in St. Paul, Minnesota this week. We're about to leave here in a bit, so gotta get packing. But we're gonna be heading up there. Our booth will be located in the same spot as last year, across from the tennis courts next to the middle entrance. And we'd like to thank you guys all again for participating and for watching the video. Visit us at myspace.com/BKongShoe Project. We'll see you in St. Paul, and we wish your family will have a safe and great J4 weekend. Thank you.